What's going on, guys? My name is Dwayne and welcome back to the channel if you checked me out before, and welcome if you're checking me out for the first time. Now, in today's video, we're actually going to be discussing my next plans for the Clio. To be honest, guys, the reason why we're actually going to be talking and not going to be taking any action today is because I'm literally waiting on parts. Everything what I need to do what I want to do has not turned up yet. So rather than leaving you guys out there with no content for the next week or two, because I always try and put something out every Sunday, maximum Monday, rather than have no content out there at all, I just thought, why not discuss what is going to happen when the parts do turn up. So yeah, let's get into it. Also, guys, have you noticed how YouTubers are constantly asking you to subscribe to their channel? Now, before I started YouTube, I just thought it was a bit annoying, and to be honest, I just thought it was something what they say. But now that I do YouTube, I kind of get it. It's because when they check their analytics, they can see that people are watching in their hundreds, but yet their subscribers are considerably less. So that brings me on to my next point. If you wouldn't mind, please like, comment if it's positive, and subscribe to the channel. It will massively help me out. Thank you. Right, guys, so as you can see, the engine bay is open, and that is because for the next few videos, my main focus is gonna be on the engine bay and getting it looking fresh, getting it looking, you know, what I'd call OEM fresh. So that's predominantly where I'm gonna be focusing on, and I'm going to do little bits and pieces to the front bumper, get that looking good as well, and a few bits of details, you know, around the car. But mainly we're going to focus on getting the engine bay looking as good as it can. So, right, so one of the very first things I'm going to do is definitely give the whole engine a good clean, a bit of a detail, because if you look in areas like here, around there, there's a lot of, you know, dust and grime and whatnot. You probably can't see it because of the shadow, but there's lots of grime and that what could do with, you know, cleaning up, which will make the engine bay look a lot more fresher than what it is. So once the car's been detailed and, you know, everything's nice and clean, I think one of the first things I'm going to do is take this engine mount off, get all the rust off of it, give this a good clean. Along with all the bolts as well. I'm going to either clean them up or find like an alternative bolt to put in there, and spacer, because I checked it out with Renault already and they're charging something like £6 including VAT per bolt, and that is not happening. But yeah, definitely engine mount off, clean that up. Do the same with the ECU cover, get that all done up, painted nice. I wouldn't mind actually taking off this support as well, cleaning that up. And this engine lift point, or whatever you call it, I'll take that off, get that cleaned up as well. That could do with a good clean up. I think that makes the engine bay look a little bit untidy. Also as well, the top of the suspension as well. I think I might see what I can do about tidying them up as well. I might take them off, get all the rust off of it and get that painted up again. So the other thing I'd like to do as well is to get the inlet manifold off, this side of the engine mount, injector cover and the throttle body. Get them all off, get them cleaned up, and I probably won't paint them. I'll probably just have like a clear coat over them, or like a lacquer. I'm going to do a little bit of research and see what the best route is to go about doing that. If there's any paint gurus or anyone who's done this before, by all means let me know, put in the comment section what you think the best route is to go down. That would be much appreciated. And then probably when that comes out, I can actually get to the top of the cam cover and give that a little scrub as well. Other than that, guys, I'm just going to be replacing other little bits and pieces, like this rubber here, which is split, the actual latch as well. That is all rusted out. I'm not even going to bother cleaning that out. They're cheap enough to replace, so I'm just going to get a new one of them. The I may get another oil filler cap. I don't know. We'll see how cheap it is. If not, I'll just clean it up. It's not too bad. I'm just being fussy, to be honest. And I wouldn't mind getting another one of these stickers because it's actually bubbling up underneath. So I might get one of them. Definitely, I'm gonna look into getting a new fuse box as well, because the top of this one is broken. The previous owner or whoever broke it, and it's not just, I was hoping it was just a simple lid, but the actual catch, which is on the body of it, is broken, not the lid. So yeah, I may look into getting a new one of them. So yeah guys, that's generally what the focus for the next few videos is going to be. It's mainly going to be tidying up that engine bay, tidying up that front bumper, and I'm not going to mention how I'm going to tidy up the front bumper. That I want to leave that one, because I'm going to do something which I haven't done before, so it could look like a dog's dinner, but it could turn out all right as well. So we shall see. But definitely engine bay is going to get tidied up when things start turning up, when, you know, parts and cleaning stuff and whatnot start, you know, turning up. That's what I'm going to be cracking on with. So other than that, guys, that is going to be it for this video. Sorry again that there's, you know, not anything happening as such, and it's just a discussion, but it's all constructive. Like I said, I'm waiting for bits to turn up. When they all do, it will be all go, go, go. And as always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It is massively important to this channel because it is a growing channel. It's only about, what, 4 or 5 weeks old now. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.